Inside, Parrot used an ultrasonic sensor, a 3-axis gyroscope and 3-axis accelerometer, a vertical camera, and a pressure sensor, which combine to make flight very stable, indoors and outside. Then there are the wheels that give this mini drone the rolling part of its name. Attach the wheels to the top of the spider and you can drive it around on the ground or even drive it up a wall and across the ceiling. While that's fun, it's probably more important that they give the propellers some protection while you're flying around indoors, since those are typically the first thing you'll need to replace. And you will need to buy more propellers because you only get one set with the rolling spider. In the box along with the mini drone and wheels you get one battery, a micro USB cable, and some stickers so you can dress up your mini drone. Accessories coming in September include batteries at $20 each, $22, 14 pounds, replacement propellers for $6 a set, and replacement wheels for $10. Like Parrot's larger AR drone quadcopters, the rolling spider is completely controlled with an app on your smartphone or tablet. The free Flight 3.0 app is available for iOS, Android, and, in October, Windows 8.1 and Windows Phone 8.1 devices. I did all my testing with a Galaxy S4 and an iPhone 5S. The spider connects to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth. The whole process is pretty automatic. Turn on the spider, turn on Bluetooth on your device, and open the app. It should automatically connect to your device, and once it does you launch the controller and you're off for flying.